Hello friends, if you did not subscribe to my channel till now, please press on subscribe button to subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell to get all the notifications when I upload a new video.
Hello everyone, my name is Phani. Welcome to Phani Tech Updates. So friends, today also we have some interesting technical stuff in our video. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the video. The first news is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi has launched Xiaomi Black Helo mobile on Tuesday. So it comes with bigger display and it is also having liquid cooling technology, same as Poco F1. This liquid cool technology is used to reduce the heat of the mobile. So it comes with three variants, 6GB, 8GB and 10GB RAM. And this mobile is having X plus 1 antenna ensuring the connectivity. So X plus 1 antennas will give more connectivity to the mobile. So we'll see the specifications of Black Helo. So it comes with Snapdragon 845 coupled with Adreno 630 GPU and display is of 6.01 inch Full HD plus display, and it comes with three variants, 6GB RAM, 8GB RAM and 10GB RAM. So rear camera is of 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel. Both cameras comes with 1.75 aperture with LED flash. So front camera is of 20 megapixel with the aperture of 2.2, and storage is available in 128GB and 256GB. And the battery is of 4000 mAh. It also supports for quick charge 3.0. The price of this mobile is for 6GB RAM 128GB internal is 3199 yuan. As per Indian currency, it is equal to 34,100 rupees. So for 8GB RAM 128GB internal, the price is 3,499 yuan, and in Indian currency 37,000 rupees. So for 10GB RAM 256GB internal storage mobile, the price is 4,199 yuan, and in Indian currency 44,500 rupees. It is only available in black color and the sale is on November 1st. So pre-orders are already available. So we can consider as it is the successor of Black Shark mobile, which was released in April. Xiaomi has focused mainly on gaming features. So that's why they're releasing Black Shark mobiles. So this was only exclusive in China. We don't have any information whether it will release globally. So Xiaomi has also announced a controller dock for Black Shark mobile, and the name of this controller dock is Black Shark biplane handle. The controller comes with joystick and some other buttons. So it can be connected to the mobile when we are playing games. And the next news is from pubg. pubg has given a new update to Android users and iOS users today. So the update is 0.9.0. There are some excellent features which was provided by pubg. We'll see the features once. So now we have night mode in Erangel. So the map will alternate between day and night randomly. And we also have Halloween themes. And QBU DMR is also added in Sandhawk mode. And one truck is also added in Sandhawk mode. And there is another option for bargaining items. So that option is share for deals. Now crews are limited to 6 players and crew challenge is also available in this new feature. So this is the update provided by pubg today. If you did not install till now, go to the application and update and see the new features once. And the next is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi has launched Mi Mix 3 today in China. So it comes with bezel-less display and it is also having magnetic slider for front camera. We'll see the specifications of Mi Mix 3 once. It comes with Snapdragon 845 coupled with Adreno 630 GPU and display is of 6.4 inch Full HD plus OLED display, and it comes with three variants, 6GB RAM, 8GB RAM and 10GB RAM, and rear camera is of 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. First 12 megapixel is of wide lens camera, aperture of 1.8, and second one is telephoto lens, aperture of 2.4, and front camera is of 24 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and the battery is of 3850 mAh. It is also having traditional rear mounted fingerprint sensor and it supports for quick wireless charging, and there is a special edition for Mi Mix 3 which called Palace Museum, and it also comes with special design. So it is of 10 GB RAM with 256 GB internal storage. So we'll see the price of MI Mix. So 6 GB RAM 128 GB price is 3,299 US and in Indian currency 34,800 rupees. And the 8 GB RAM 128 GB variant comes with 3,599 yuan and it is in Indian currency is 37,900 rupees. So the 8 GB RAM 256 GB internal storage comes with 3,999 yuan and the price of this mobile in Indian currency is 42,100 rupees. And the special edition price is 52,700 rupees. Now it is available in China. So they have to give the information whether it will release globally or not. If releases, when it will release globally. And it is also comes with Android 8.1 with MIUI 10. And the last news is from WhatsApp. So WhatsApp new version comes with stickers. So now we can get stickers and there is a dedicated sticker store for Android version. So now we can get stickers in WhatsApp. So it is available in 2.18.329 version. So now presently they are running in beta version. So in couple of months it will be available for global users also. So that's all for today friends. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please press like button and please subscribe to my channel. This is Phani signing off.